Disorganization in your workshop can cause you to lose time looking for equipment, which can be quite frustrating. Mirka has you covered for workshop organization. With the Mirka Modular Trolley, you can keep the working area organized and clean for a professional and efficient workflow. You can easily keep all your necessary and often used tools and abrasives within reach. This modular trolley is the premium version. Included in this version are the base module, which includes the bottom plate for holding the dust extractor, the top with drawer and rubber mat, the hose arm, which includes the hooks for your sanders, the cable hook and push handle, and the unit is easily movable with swivel wheels, and they are also lockable. And the rest of the inclusions are: the drawer module features 3 drawers that can hold many consumables and other equipment. An aerosol holder which can hold 2 aerosol cans. A spray gun holder. A waste bag holder. A tool wall with shelves and 6 hooks. The shelves are suitable for holding your abrasives for easy reach. And the hooks can hold various items like tape or backing pads. Your dust extractor fits snugly underneath, making everything you need to get your job done all together and organized efficiently.